Hungry big mooses. Chowing down on the willows. There's Paisley watching. He's ripping all the leaves off of the the sticks. Vampire bacon.
Dry sap over the fire, it might dry into sap.
Where are you gonna put it at?
I don't know. Oh yeah, I have to put it around my stick so I can hold and not get black stuff all over.
But will your hands get sappy?
No, it's not gonna go through the leaf.
Hello.
This is difficult.
Taking the lid off?
Yeah. Because I can't squirt paint out. Ow!
What you doing?
I was painting
Painting what?
the stick.
For what? To decorate the forest?
No, it's just my walking stick.
I just think Indians would make their paint all by themselves. Like blueberries could make blue.
Then I'm gonna decorate it with like forest things and stuff after I paint it.
Cool.
So it kind of sticks on.
What's going on over here?
Well, I braided these together. Now I'm just putting the sticks.
Oh. It's a great idea.
Different sizes.
All right, we're just walking to the waterfalls. Me and Paisley were heading up the back. And it is beautiful out here. I'll turn it around.
I'm gonna go see what are we fishing at?
We're gonna fish on the way back.
Oh, really?
Boo.
Boo.
Who?
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 Woo-hoo.
What do you think, Justin? Pretty out here, eh?
Yeah.
Dad has his doggies on the running harness thing.
He has like two little babies.
I know, when we pulled up, those guys were like, oh, look at the little puppies. Look at that fish. I don't know if Chaz is gonna get to fish or not. Looks like he's gonna stay pretty busy. Taking fish off, putting fish on the stringer, putting the worm on the hook. Oh. Toby really likes it here. Huh, Tobes? Yeah, it's pretty here, huh? Yeah, are you a waterfall dog? Hmm? Such a pretty boy. Such a pretty boy. Okay, we're up at the waterfall. We made it. Paisley and I are hanging out on a big rock at the top. What do you think?
Scary.
No, it's not scary. Isn't it getting better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Justin and Dad are fishing. And Paisley caught 1. Justin caught 2.
But then my reel broke.
And Dad's caught 0. Uh-oh. What did you say?
You feel juicy.
Juicy. Who caught it?
Me?
Ooh. We're gonna cook them up in the frying pan. Get some.
Good luck, charm.
What you think? Good?
Good. Good.
Justin's fishing in the creek with more brookies. We need like 10 more to feed our family. It goes all the way down. It's beautiful out here. He's caught like 4 fish so far, the most anybody's caught. I'm trying to keep Toby. Keeps going in the water and scaring all the fish away. Been an amazing camping weekend. Paisley's up there with Dad. She got her hook stuck in the water and it came off, so he's putting a new hook on and getting her all fixed up. This one has taken to fishing. so relaxing here. I could spend a long time here. There's no mosquitoes and there's no bears really around here, and there's no rattlesnakes here. There's moose, deer, elk. Did say there is bobcats. Here comes this fisherwoman.
Oh my god!
Watch out for the holes. She made her walking stick. No, there isn't any. It was way too cold last night. Come on. Paisley, what happened?
I got a fish.
Hold him.
He's wild though. I better keep him right here.
Good job.
But Dad, hurry up. He's gonna die.
No.
He is pretty. Let me see.
Look at that.
Oh, he'll taste so yummy.
Let me see him. I'll take him off.
There you go.
There's Paisley's pretty fish.
That I just caught.
Her first time holding it like a real fish. Show me how you hold it.
Okay, you go like this. Hold it like that.
And they don't have any teeth, right?
They have some teeth at least.
Let me see them. The side. And what is that kind of fish called?
Trout.
Okay. Good job. Brookie.
There you go. There's that fish back.
No.
We're keeping all the fishes that we catch. What the heck? That's why it's not coming right. That's why. I gotta fix this again. And that won't happen. I'm not good at it. I've gotta go try farther where it just
Let me
isn't.
see your rod.
What? Got it!
Pick
Keep
him
on
up.
going after it. Is that one the one that you're trying to get?
No.
I got another one.